Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog here at Justin's Motorsport where everything starts to dream. And in today's vlog, I am going to the second annual Grasslands car show, which is in Harbor Landing and all that. So yeah, it'll be the first car show for the car registered into a car show for 2024. So we're going to go wash the car, meet up with the boys at Cabela's, little convoy into the show event. Alrighty, so the car's all nice and clean now, so what we'll head over to Cabela's to meet up with the boys here. They'll be meeting around about 8:30 or so, so a lot of them be cleaning their cars up. I'll have to go up this way, get out and that. So yeah, we'll head over there now, find a way to get out of the maze here. The parking lot. The car show's right over there, so I said we're gonna meet up with the boys. Yeah, there's the boys there, their vehicles. Hey. Alrighty, so I'm here now, so yeah, we'll just wait for more to show up and then we'll head over to the car show. That's alright. No, you can be in the shot.
Oh, okay. Oh! It makes it look like here.
Yeah. Yeah, there, yeah. With the boys, they're going to be heading out now, so yeah, I'll do some B-roll here of them pulling out here. Here, so we're at the show here, just up in line up for the get my registration and all that, and then we'll go around, film cars here once the car show starts and all that. Alright boys, guys, we're number 91 for registration here. Guys, so yeah, so we're gonna do some filming some cars here now since it's after 10 o'clock and a lot should be showing up now for the lot. Should be full. They only sanctioned a certain amount of lots here, so yeah, even though I pre-registered for a spot, I'm in the non zone there or whatever, but here, so that doesn't matter. Here, we'll go out, film some cars, and you guys see if you find some, go on the hunt for cars you haven't seen yet on the channel. Seen him in a while?
Yeah, it's been a while.
I had to say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Yeah, there's Jason Marks in a Supra. Yeah. You're enjoying as what I've been doing here, filming some cars. You probably would have seen a lot of the originals still on the channel, and also some are new ones if you have not yet seen on that. So I finished up in this lot, so there's another lot down over there. So we'll go around there, film the cars over in the lot down over there. So yeah, we'll continue on with the filming and all that. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's vlog here at Grasslands second annual car show. So yeah, let me know down in the comments of what your favorite car was here and all that. It's pretty cool to see a Lamborghini here at the show as well. So yeah, so I'll end it here. Like this video, hit subscribe if you haven't already, turn on notifications and that. And on Justin's Motorsport, everything starts with a dream. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.
No, I think he pretty fat.